everyone, my name is Kristen Sarah and I am a travel content creator. I have a YouTube channel called Hopscotch the Globe, and for the last 12 years I've been traveling all around the world filming my adventures, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you 5 ways to create more engaging vlogs. Number 1 is introduce your story and your goal in an enticing way in the first 30 seconds of the video. The first 30 seconds of a video is the most important part because this is either the time you're going to gain a viewer for the whole video or you're going to lose a viewer. So you want to make sure you're grabbing their attention and you're keeping them engaged right at the very beginning. Set yourself up and set them up to know, like, what is this video about and why do they need to keep watching? Number 2 is film the journey. You know, there's that saying, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Well, the same goes when you're filming. Film the in-between, like getting from point A to point B, because first of all, you never know what's gonna happen in between. This could be like gold footage. And it also helps tell the story. Number 3 is to get both wide and macro shots as well as different angles, because it helps make your vlog more cinematic, more delicious for the eyes, and it helps to take a scene and really get different viewpoints of it, which helps to visually tell your story. Fresh dill. Wow. Number 4, it's my favorite, is to talk to your camera as if it's your best friend. Your best friend that you're hanging out with for the day. It helps you to feel more comfortable in front of the camera, be able to vlog anywhere no matter what is happening. And also, when you are talking to your camera and, you know, your best friend, you are holding it up in a way in different angles and point of view as if that is a person. So when your viewer is watching, they feel more connected to you that way. Number 5 is where the magic really comes to life, and that is when you're editing your footage and adding in the music. Zoom into certain shots when it gets more intense. Have music that really brings a feeling that you want people to feel when they're watching certain points of your video.
Are you ready?
And sound effects. Sound effects are overlooked in a lot of vlogs that I watch. Sound design is a whole other layer of editing, and adding in like little sound effects here and there can really pull the viewer into your story even more. I don't know really what to expect except a lot of color. And that's pretty much it, so we're in for a surprise. And those are my 5 tips to help you produce more engaging vlogs. I can't wait to see what you come up with next.